two circles that are both the same size. You can choose whatever size of circle that you prefer for your hat. And now I'm going to sew them together, right sides together. So I have sewn half of the circle. Let's take the wire and wrap it around the sides of the pot. The pot helps with shaping it. So you see, it's wrapped around the wire, the circumference of the pot, and now we have a circle. And what we're gonna do is just take a piece of tape here and tape it together. Place the wire inside of the pocket and now sew the edges of the pocket together.